Piping Specialties is New England's complete source for valve automation projects of all sizes, providing specification development, design, engineering, assembly and testing of automated valve packages. Our customers trust us for valve automation because we offer service and product expertise, along with trusted brands from our approved manufacturers list. Using CAD software, our associates can provide full drawing packages and designs that ensure the automated valve solutions we provide will fit your applications and meet specifications. We are specialists for the design, fabrication, assembly and installation of electric, pneumatic, and hydraulic actuators on virtually any type of industrial valve. Piping Specialties technicians are fully trained and experienced in automation, and are required to follow thorough quality control procedures, allowing our customers to rest well, knowing the work is done right. Choose Piping Specialties for all your valve automation needs.